Bye.
Yes.
Can I go there? Ever tell mother? Oh.
Okay, no problem.
If you are one card, not a make it your more.
No, I haven't got too much. No. Yeah, then
Hey. I'm not going to
Shock you.
Thank you. I can tell them. Oh, we have an appointment.
Okay, did I know you?
Come on, okay, you put. I'm going to oh, thank you. You are going to do. All the market because of them. Only too much.
Oh my!
Sorry, on a Bible. Mama, if there's no mother. Okay. Mother can't have no. Hey.
Get your VM.
Since never. Oh, I'm the guy here. Oh, can you na jogi?
na jom.
Oh, the key was your mother. Eh? Oh, the key one was your. I have a customer. So I have a customer that guy. You guys, I have one on your job. All is a customers. They're always right. If you can, I'm to this steady. But what I mean on the level, you can do it. All the give me per shop. You want to Arab guy, you come here. Oh, Diggy. You don't see.
Don't worry, need the knock.
All the car, I got a go now. No. You put a choice on the customers. Oh, I can say, me. I can say, I'm going bumbo. Don't be lazy. Ndi why that lazy? Ndi Igbo.
Is your brother?
God forbid.
I that lazy. I mean, like don't be a liability to oil and okay. Overcard.
You say
money jinka. It's not. I never taking news.
Yeah. Okay, the knock.
Okay, no. Ah, it's not going to get out. Oh, you're not going for you, okay?
Yes.
Ah.
think about your life. You're supposed to be a dinner man. Is your brother?
God forbid.
It's not bread na me that my friend. Anyway, I don't want to nag you. You just bang bo. I don't let you bro. I'm not talking about your chocos on all can Igbo selu.
God have mercy upon us.
Igbo na basin bike. Can you come my phone come on to side then. Mama open up the
Make una help me.
I don't know.